And today on Have a Knife Day, we're going to continue on with another What the Buck Did I Buy from the Buck Knives Factory in Post Falls, Idaho. We did a museum tour. We did a factory floor tour, which shows us how they go from raw materials into the knives we love and into the showroom where we can buy knives. They also have a laser engraver there, so if you wanted to do an emblem like my coveted 3rd Battalion 505th Parachute Infantry Regiment that has been deactivated, unfortunately, you can get your emblem there. Just bring it. Call ahead if you have something in particular. Make sure that you have the right format of artwork for them to use. So what we have here, because needless to say, if you're going to go to Graceland, you might as well buy yourself a peanut butter and banana sandwich. This is the 040 Onset Flipper. There you go. And look at that. So on the other knives that I showed you, and if you haven't seen them, please do. I'm going to be putting this all into a playlist. They mounted their deep carry pocket clips here, but this one goes for more of a traditional. Now this is a right-hand tip-up carry only, so you might want to ask them if they have left-hand options available. And of course, the very awesome OD green micarta. And to go along with that, I made a lanyard, because that's what I do. Yeah, that's really great sounding. So of course I had Have a Knife Day put on there. If I ever go back, I might bring some better artwork next time, and you never know what I might do. S45VN. So we're going to put this over here, of course. And let's go ahead and learn a little bit about the Onset. Modern, sleek, and tough. The 040 Onset is the upgrade your EDC collection needs. With an olive drab for this model or black G10 handle. This frame lock provides security and strength when in use. Ball bearings and a blade flipper ensure smooth one-hand opening, while a removable clip allows for easy carry. A full flat grind blade with BOS heat treat S45VN steel offers ultimate performance, capable of handling your everyday needs. This blade is full-bellied, kind of like me, with a strong, thick point for heavier tasks. I make me laugh, I know. It can also be used as a general work knife. The top of the blade drops down towards the tip, which minimizes accidental puncturing while skinning. The drop point blade is strong and very versatile. One-hand opening has a... They did not go with a thumb stud or a blade hole or other features to facilitate one-hand use. They decided to go with the flipper for that function. And the features, my friends, are as thus. Drop point S45VN full flat grind stainless steel blade, cryogenically treated blade for great edge retention, ball bearing technology for smooth opening, secure use with frame lock, locking mechanism, stone wash, finish belt clip removable, advanced edge 2X blade technology, forever warranty, because one generation is not enough. These are meant to be passed down from generation to generation and made in the good old US of A. The specifications: product level, pro level, blade length 3.325, 8.6 centimeters, closed length 4.875, which is 12.4 centimeters, blade steel S45VN stainless steel, of course, blade thickness 0.120, blade hardness 59 to 61, blade style drop point, blade finish black Cerakote, handle material OD green and G10 stainless steel frame, locking mechanism, frame lock of course, pocket clip removable, tip up right hand carry, weighing in at a svelte 4.5 ounces, and once again made in the USA. I was thinking about belting into born in the USA, but I decided not. I know you're So thankful for that. Oh my goodness, we had an earthquake. So what do you think? Do you think you could add this to your buck collection? You know, right now I'm wearing, as you could tell from this black t-shirt, I got a Buck Knives t-shirt on right now. As you can tell, I just hit my microphone because that's the level of professionalism I bring to this channel. That's right. My apologies. But yeah, I've been carrying this quite a bit. I really do enjoy the frame lock. It is a very lively flipper when it comes down to it, and I do enjoy the blade shape. And I was able to fit the lanyard here. So what do you think? Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Remember, there's going to be a link to our Etsy store. So you too can wear a t-shirt that says "Have a Knife Day" with a knife on it, or maybe "Don't Tread on Me." I have some more designs coming up in the future. And as always, have a knife day. We will all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your clothes today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute. Get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Pouring our check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all the 82nd way.